Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Exporting TGA files in Adobe Photoshop is a simple process used often for game development and 3D textures. TGA stands for Targa, and it handles high-quality image data very well. First, make sure your project is ready for export. Go to the Image menu at the top. Select Mode and ensure RGB color is checked. Your image should also be set to 8 bits per channel. If your project needs transparency, you must use an alpha channel. Open the Channels panel next to your layers. Create a new channel and name it Alpha. White parts will show up in your game engine. Black parts will be hidden or transparent. When you are ready to save, do not use the Export as option. Instead, go to the File menu and select Save a Copy. In the File Format drop-down menu, look for Targa. Type a name for your file and pick a folder. Click the Save button. A small window called Targa Options will pop up on your screen. You need to choose the correct bit depth here. Select 24 bits per pixel for standard images without transparency. Choose 32 bits per pixel if you included an alpha channel for transparency. You can also check the box for RLE compression to make the file size smaller without losing any detail. Click the OK button to complete the process. Your TGA file is now successfully saved and ready to be imported into your 3D software or game engine. This format remains a standard for professional artists because it is reliable and very easy for computers to read.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.